Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel to pay on AliExpress. Now, here's how you can cancel a payment on AliExpress. The first thing you need to do is launch your browser and go to the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. Once you do that, click on the account icon at the top right corner of the screen and log in with your account credentials. After logging in, hover over the account icon, which is here, and click on the My Orders from the drop-down menu. Now in here, you have a couple of options in the drop-down menu, including My Orders, My Coins, Message Center, Payments, Wish List, My Coupons, and all the way down to Accessibility, which is the last option from this list. Now click on My Orders and it's going to take you right into the My Orders window. In the My Orders section, which we currently have here, go ahead and look for the order that you have not paid for yet. It will typically have a status like awaiting payment. So go ahead and locate the order you want to cancel. I do not have an order, that's why my order list is pretty much empty. Now, once you find the order, in case you're having a hard time looking for the order because you have a couple of orders, go ahead and use the search bar to search the order by order ID, product, or stunning. Now, once you find the order, there'll be an option to cancel order right next to it. So click on cancel order option. And after doing that, a pop-up window will appear asking you to select a reason for canceling the order. Go ahead and choose the most appropriate reason from the drop-down list. After selecting the reason, go ahead and click Submit to finalize the cancellation. The order will now be marked as cancelled and you will no longer need to proceed with payment. Once cancelled, you can check the order status in the My Order section again, and it should now be listed under cancelled orders. That's pretty much it. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.